हाय गाइस, आज हम देखेंगे एमएस एक्सेल्स की टॉप एमसीक्यू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हेन यू इंसर्ट एन एक्सेल फाइल इनटू अ वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट द डेटा आर। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस बी, placed in a word table. Next question, macro are run or executed forms the dash dash menu. Right answer is option C, tool. Next question, which type of charts can Excel produce? Right answer is options B, bar charts, line graphs and pie chart. Next question, how are data organized in a spreadsheet? Right answer is options D, row and column. Next question, a function inside another function is called a dash dash function. Right answer is options A, nested. Next question, which of the following methods cannot be used to enter data in a cell? Right answer is option C, pressing the escape key. Next question, which of the following methods cannot be used to edit the contents of cell? Right answer is options A, pressing the Alt key. Next question, to insert three columns between column D and column E, you would. Right answer is options B, select column E. Next question, which of the following is not a basic step in creating a worksheet? Right answer is options D, copy the worksheet. Next question, you can edit existing Excel's data by pressing the. Right answer is options B, F2 key. Next question, when you insert an Excel files into a Word document, the data are. Right answer is options B, linked. Next question, what is the intersections of a columns and a row on a worksheet called? Right answer is options D, cell. Next question, what types of chart is useful for comparing value or categorize? Right answer is options B, column chart. Next question, which functions in Excel tell how many numerics entries are there? Right answer is option C, count. Next question, statistical calculations and preparations of tables and graphs can be done using. Right answer is options B, Excel. Next question, which one is not a function in MS Excel? Right answer is options A, AVG, average. Next question, functions in MS Excel must beings with dash dash. Right answer is option C, an equal sign. Next question, which functions in Excel checks whether a condition is true or not? Right answer is options D, if. Next question, what types of chart is useful for showing trends or changes over time? Right answer is option C, line chart. Next question, the process of arranging the items of a columns in some sequence or order is known as. Right answer is option C, sorting. Next question, the dash dash features of MS Excel quickly complete a series of data. Right answer is options B, autofill. Next question, What types of chart is useful for comparing parts of a whole? Right answer is options A, pie chart. Next question. What types of chart is good for single series of data? Right answer is option C, pie chart. Next question. The basics units of a worksheet into which you enter data in Excel is called a. Right answer is options A, cell. Next question. How many sheets are there by default when we create a new Excel file? Right answer is options B, 3. Thank you.